a couple of minutes drive and we will be at the heart of the show, the heart of the classic car show in Linlithgow. How good is that? Everybody's getting in on the action, eh? So that's the Linlithgow car show being advertised, and they've done out the whole window in a car theme. So Linlithgow is certainly the place to be today. Just got the, I don't know what you call it, is it a gang of Lotuses? Anyway, we got plenty of Lotuses coming on board, and yep, that's what we like. Yep, we see ya. So the classic car show here at Linlithgow just getting underway. Some of the cars in place and everybody else been out for a run, and it's looking good. Got a great turnout. Well, this is pretty good. Wherever you look, there's classic cars everywhere here in Linlithgow. Even got a CF2 van as well. You go check out the Lotus Drivers Club. This is a Lotus zone for this afternoon only. I think we'll take a walk about and check out some of these. If there's a Lotus Europa, I'll be absolutely delighted. But I'll settle for everything else as well. Well, I mentioned it earlier on, a Lotus Europa, and we have one. Time to have a look round. These are a rare sight these days. There's not even 150 of them left on the roads today. However, I would have said it was a 1972 by looking at the number plate, but no, in fact, on further research, dated the 1st of June 1979 was when it was first registered. You know, I think the Lotus Europa is actually my favourite of the classic Lotus. Anyway, these were produced and their variants between 1966 and 1975. In fact, I used to pass one on the way to school. The Lotus Europa was a two-door mid-engine GT coupe built by Lotus Cars of Great Britain. Eventually succeeded by the Lotus Esprit, but Lotus makes no apologies for the fact that this is still a track-inspired sports car, and that's evident in the handling. The steering is superb, turning is sharp, cornering is precise, and body control is fantastic. Not even a Porsche Cayman feels as responsive and eager to drive. Yeah, certainly the place to be today, Linlithgow. Even got Ferraris on the high street. How good is that?